Sony's Xperia XA2 hands-on. It was a far-fetched all-consuming, instant adoration for a great deal of us here at the workplace when the first Xperia XA2 turned out, one of the primary Sony telephones with insignificant additional mass around show, at any rate in 2 out of 4 headings. After 18 months, the Xperia XA2 landed at our doorstep, the third era of its kind, since that is the means by which Sony's numbering works, demonstrates development in its looks. There's some of its DNA we cherished, yet it's advanced and, might we venture to state, positively. First of all, it's grown a bit. In height, it's really shorter than XA1, yet it's a little more extensive on the grounds that it needs to house a 5.2-inch show where there used to be 5 inches. It's no little accomplishment, really. The XA2's show is 4-something millimeters taller than the XA1's, yet the telephone is 3 mm shorter. That is 7 mm etched off the jaw and brow, and that is a great deal. Side to side, there wasn't much to etch off. The XA2 is as more extensive than the XA1 as the new show is contrasted with the old one. Adequately, Sony's pulled off fitting more show without running over the edge with impression. About time. The XA2 is somewhat thicker, however, there's no getting away from that. When you read the spec sheet's 9.7 mm along the Z-hub, it looks entirely terrible. Particularly when the XA1 was only 8 mm, and the thick-feeling ZX1 Compact is 9.3 mm. Nonetheless, because of the adjusted sides and the ebb and flow of its back, the Compact is all around level, regardless of the vantage point. The Xperia XA2 doesn't feel so thick.